In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can deal with this situation, which comes up when you try to activate a conda environment. The first approach is to change this one here, this name here, into source. And then you can add the other stuffs. So let me show you how that is done. And then I'll activate it. So if I'm going to activate, instead of saying conda activate mapping, I'll change this word here to source. So I'll say source activates mapping. So let's run this command. So if I do that, I'll have the environment activated for me. I have some tools installed in the environment, so I can run them. I have some tools, for example, so I'll say some tools. So it has been executed. So I have activated the environment. So now, if I deactivate that environment, let's say conda deactivate, and then I want to activate again, I can now use conda activate mapping, and the environment will be activated for me. Okay, so this is one approach to do that. And that's about it. If you also want to learn more about Anaconda, if you want to learn how to use Anaconda to install data science tools and bioinformatics tools, then I will encourage you to watch the videos in this playlist.